I need help. I need finding an electrician.
Hi there. I can help you create a service request. Are you looking for a plumber, an electrician, or both?
Well, that's right. I need an electrician and a plumber.
So you need a service request for both a plumber and an electrician. Can you tell me a bit more about what you need done for each service?
Well, that's right. I'm remodeling my bathroom. I need a new light fixture in my bathroom, a new switch, a GFCI, and I need my new shower plumbed in.
Got it. You need an electrician to install a new light fixture, switch, and GFCI in your bathroom. And you need a plumber to plumb in your new shower. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's right. That's right. I thought I was prime. What do you mean I'm not prime? I'm XPro Prime now. Yeah. What? Well, not. Well, absolutely. Absolutely. Alright. What else here we got? It took me about, I don't know how long it took me, but it was fast. I'm telling you, XPro now, it was today. XPro Go is right now. Okay? Uh, Now, what we're doing here today. Thank you for watching.